Nakasara.
Ay, charge.
Ano to? Ano to?
Ano to pa? Ano tingnan natin to? Open. Wait lang, wait.
Open na.
Oh, yun.
Yan o.
Okay. Tapos, yung isa. Teka lang. Wait lang muna. O, tapa pa. Isa pa. Open. Charan!
Ipasa naman to.
Ay, buksan niyo yung aircon. Nasaan? Si Mama, sa bahay, maghahapon ka na lang. Halika, sabi sila na dito kung sino yung my goodness. Mama, dali ka. Dito ako kita. One, two, three.
Mamalo ka tabi mo yung jacuzzi. Ano yun?
Kasi sarado mo. Ano?
Ay, mali. Wait lang ulit.
Ako papasok sa loob. Kunyari na dito. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Go, Francis.
1, 2, 3.
Device got disconnected.
Ako.
Kaya yung close mo. Oh, device got disconnected. Sorry. Lang. Tapos binayaran. Ako rin, gusto ko rin.
Ayan, wait lang. Teka lang, nagpa-fountain ulit eh oh.
Od. Tama lang, maghintay ka.
Hindi, alam mo kung di, talagang lalabas ako. Magsapak siya.
Oh, ganun na naman. Talagang
Hindi ako marunong mag-ano.
Ano?
Ang daming pinto,
Oo, bakit?
Dito kahit di ka na magbadlaw.
Yeah.
Charo.
Yan siya, oh.
Dalawa, ganito nga ako na.
Ayan, oh. Ha?
Punta ka lang dito para
Pa. Francis. Francis.
para sa Parque Francis na nag-drive. Sarap pag-jogging dyan, oh. Ay, no?
Ikaw, Francis, ayokong mag-ano ka, Yoshi.
The last calls made to who did they speak to on the way, because we have an ongoing investigation right now. And of course, whatever vehicle was used to actually transport this person to this location is now the number one thing I'm looking for as well as who they have spoken to. So this investigation might be done in the Congress store there. There are everybody is looking for it as well. Obviously, we're talking about what we're looking at right now. But we're also talking about how the car could be under shooting in that line was not there.
Daming pinto. 1,
They will have to live with it being put down on the ground by law enforcement and his own safety. So we may have
Pitong yan, connecting yan. 1, 2, 3 pinto. Ayan, tambak namin. Dito. Bulaga. Hello vlog. Si Mother. Hanggang dito sa Okada, nakahiga lang. Wala. Vlog. Yan ang room tour ni Mother Earth. Yan, nakakonect. Yan. Nakakonect siya dyan. Dito. Tapos, pinto ulit. Itong pinto. Yan. Pinto ulit yan ng si Mother. Pinto ulit. Ayan. Mabigat. Oop. Dito tayo.
And it makes it sends a signal if they stay.
Table,
It sends a
charger.
signal if they leave. So the logistical issue is important, security issue is important, the issue is important, but there's a political issue that also has to take place.
Let
Ma.
me jump in. We have a couple new pieces
Ma.
of information, if you guys can stand by for one moment. We have a statement from the Secret Service, the first official statement from the Secret Service. Let me just read that right
TV.
now. The U.S. Secret Service, in coordination with the Metropolitan Police Department, is investigating a shooting incident near the main magnetometer screening area at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. The President and First Lady are safe, along with all protectees. One individual is in custody. The condition of those involved is not yet known, and law enforcement is actively assessing the situation. A couple new pieces of information there that are important to reiterate. Number one, this was near the main magnetometer screening area at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. So we don't know if the person really made it through or much past that area right there. So it may be a case of the screening area identifying this person.
Ito yung room ni Francis. Yeah. Vlog yan, vlog. Room tour. Wait. Room tour. Back. Ito shower.
Diba pa, normal lang pa.
Shower room.
Papa, diba normal lang.
Siyempre. shower room. Tapos, ito ang
Pinupulo-to, parang init. Huwag mo buksan ang konting na papis. Toilet.
toilet na may multo. Okay.
Parang bathtub lang. Kanina na sulatan? Ha? Ano na sulatan?
Yung view from the...
Ah!
Wala pa. So, diba? Yung viewing dito.
Pinapainit ko rin.
Swimming pool na to.
Malalim pa yun dito kaya doon sa kids pool.
Si mother.
Hindi ka init.
Yung golden ratio ay paliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng golden ratio sa tulo na golden ratio. Alam niyo ba na naniniwala ang mga ancient Greeks na may special powers at kapangyarihan ang mga lovers?
The White House correspondent President to the president, and also more from a possible press conference from the president. I think this is
The room full of reporters, so I know you've already seen the president tweet. I might have been
Mas mahaba at isang statement. Special dito, kapag sinabi mo ang buong linya sa mas mahabang parte.
Jeje. Okay. Dito tayo.
He wanted to emphasize
Down. Upper ground. Down.
thank you.
Asis.
Dining sir.
Dining.
Bali, 4 na mangga, 2 milky.
Sorry. Nauna ba kayo sa akin?
Okay lang, sige.
Ay, sorry.
Kaya may ubi pa. Ilan ba ako din mo sir? Nagsubo ako eh, 2. Kanina. Saka brown sugar. Sa pen na lang. Subo.
Lagyan mo tayo.
Ilang take out sila? Brown first.
Mainit pa!
Si O.E.
Mainit pa!
Ate! Ate! Pala tanggalin yung init.
Hindi, yung shampoo